Okay, so hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to duplicate the car layer in Photoshop easily and change their color. Okay, so now go all together. So we go to layer, car layer, right, and then duplicate it. Okay, and then go to edit, free transform, and a little bit decrease the car size and okay, drag to another side and click enter. Okay, after that, okay, click Control Shift L and letter T. One, two, and three. Okay, so now we got the car layer. We duplicate the car layer easily, right? And then click on this cars, right? Okay, layer, and we go to image, adjust, and select Hue saturation. And then we change the color layers in here by dragging over saturation here, right? So now this is one color and click OK. So after that we do the next cast in the same way, right? Okay, we click rise and then this and go to image, adjust over saturation, and then I drag to change the cast color. Okay, so I check this color and click OK and do this one again. Okay, click and go to image. Okay, adjust full saturation and then drag to another color to change the color. Okay, so I take this color and do this one again, the last one. Okay, go to image, adjust full saturation and then change the color by dragging this okay, okay to the like this, and then we got okay the yellow color. Okay, so that's all. This is the way how to duplicate a car and change the color of the car easily, right? Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my video also. Right? Okay, goodbye.